we have to call someone for help. We are pleased to inform you that soon you will be able to scratch your nose, for example, when both your hands are busy. Scientists from EPFL have developed a robotic arm that can be worn on the stomach and controlled by breathing. To test their invention, engineers created a virtual environment and a special exoskeleton that allowed test subjects to control the third arm using diaphragm movements. Over 150 sessions, each of the 60 volunteers fully mastered the third limb with their nervous system and were able to perform the assigned tasks. It turned out that this method of controlling the robo-arm does not interfere with the movements of real arms at all. The engine system is more convenient and simpler in terms of transitioning from vertical flight to horizontal flight. And this is of great importance, for example, during the takeoff of an aircraft from an aircraft carrier in a storm. But that's not all. The system produces much less noise and vibration during operation, which is an additional advantage when using aircraft for military purposes. The first tests of the aircraft have already begun, and the final approval of their design is expected within the next 6 months. Today, engineers at Owl University have decided to revisit the forgotten concept and implement it in their new project Monocab Owl. The proposed version is a self-propelled monorail cabin with gyroscopic stabilization and autonomous electric drive. Unlike other similar monorail structures, this transport vehicle balances on a single rail without any mechanical support. One cabin accommodates up to 6 people and can be combined with other cars into similar trains. The interior of the monocab adapts to the individual needs of passengers in different locations. In particular, configurations are possible for accommodating wheelchairs, bicycles, voluminous luggage, or a fully cargo version. It is expected that such transport will become an alternative to unprofitable railways in rural areas. Battery. Such a battery produces electricity at the same speed as standard cobalt-based batteries, but it can be manufactured at much lower costs. At the same time, the device has less weight, comparable capacity, and can charge faster than analogs. Moreover, the novelty can withstand more than 2,000 charge cycles with minimal loss of its properties. All these qualities not only contribute to reducing the overall cost of an electric vehicle, but also allow increasing its speed by reducing the weight of the battery, which plays an important role for a sports car. However, the main goal pursued by the developers of the organic battery is the complete future abandonment of lithium-ion batteries, the creation and disposal of which causes irreparable damage to the environment. How is this possible? Drones act as delivery agents controlled by a patented platform and machine learning algorithms. The delivery process is almost identical to what we are already familiar with. Customers place orders through a special application. Restaurant staff load the drone with the ordered items or food, and the drone delivers the package and drops it off in the backyard. Currently, drones already deliver orders from restaurants like Brinker International, Chili's, It's Just Wings, and Maggiano's Little Italy. However, this list is constantly expanding. The main feature of this futuristic transport is the absence of hubs and spokes on the wheels. The rotation of the wheels is provided by special magnetic bearings. The Velomobile is powered by a hub electric motor which rotates the rear wheel through gearing with its rim. The electric bike's range is 60 miles, and thanks to the enclosed cabin, it's comfortable to travel in any weather. An example of this is the new generation of UAVs from Skydio, equipped with the innovative Scout feature. The peculiarity of this technology is that the drone constantly keeps a specified object in view regardless of its own location. This means that the operator can change the trajectory, tilt angle of the UAV, or alter its flight altitude at their discretion, and the desired object will always remain in the frame. Most importantly, during such maneuvers, the operator does not need to manually position the camera. This will allow them to fully focus on control and maximize hiding the drone from the opponent's eyes. This feature will be especially useful during reconnaissance operations or when escorting a column of vehicles in mountainous areas. Fast and accurate body temperature measurement. This issue has become particularly relevant for medical institutions. Fortunately, a solution has been found: an AI-based thermal sensing control system capable of remotely measuring body temperature, heart rate, and breathing rate for multiple subjects simultaneously. Additionally, when installed in a hospital room, the device continuously monitors the patient's position and alerts staff or relatives through a special application in case of emergencies. For example, in the event of a patient falling from bed, a wheelchair, or prolonged inactivity. Compact size and user-friendly interface allow such devices to be used both in medical institutions and for monitoring patient condition at home. Germany and South Korea decided to go further and created the versatile Unit machine with built-in AI and a variety of interchangeable modules. This robot can be turned into a 3D printer, laser engraver, assembler, sorter, camera, chef, barista, artist, smartphone tripod, and more. Thanks to AI, the device can recognize faces and colors, classify images, detect various objects, and perform many other smart operations. The robot supports voice and wireless control via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Depending on innovative invention HoloBox. This device is a rectangular box the height of a person with which you can see a three-dimensional image of a person located in another city or country. The phone booth of the future works using special software that analyzes the video signal from the camera and converts it into a hologram. The hologram is transmitted over the internet to another HoloBox, where it is displayed on a transparent anti-glare screen. The developer also offers a smart model of the device that can be placed on a table or shelf and can communicate with holograms on a 1:4 scale. Israeli company Magal S3 has created the RoboGuard device, which can move autonomously around the perimeter of secured areas. For surveillance, the Robot Guard has built-in fixed and pan-tilt cameras with infrared illumination. The machine also has the ability to autonomously respond to alarm signals and can not only receive information from the command center or cameras, but can also analyze it. There are two modes for patrolling. In the first mode, the device constantly moves around the perimeter at a set speed. In the second mode, it takes the position programmed according to the instructions received from the command sector. The application area of the robot is quite wide. Oil and gas facilities, energy objects, bridges, and other structures using special lattice blocks. It consists of 3 robots. 2 of them deliver hollow lattice blocks while one connects them. The assistants can pick up the bricks, move them, and pass them to each other. The third robot is inside the structure and connects the blocks brought by the assistants. 256 blocks in just 4 days. Developers envision that in the future, such builders could be sent to the moon or beyond to construct buildings, towers, or other objects before astronauts arrive. Which invention, in your opinion, deserves the highest praise? Share your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. There's plenty more exciting information from the world of science and technology.